Hey everyone, today we're diving into some breaking news in the world of cryptocurrency. The FBI, in collaboration with South Korea's National Police Agency, has identified North Korean cyber actors responsible for a massive $1.5 billion crypto theft. Yes, you heard that right, $1.5 billion. The heist was carried out by the infamous Lazarus Group, also known as Trader. They managed to exploit security loopholes during a transaction on the Dubai-based exchange Bybit. In just a matter of moments, they made off with 400,000 Ethereum. Once they had their hands on the crypto, they quickly transferred the assets to an undisclosed address. The FBI confirmed that the stolen assets are now being rapidly converted into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, likely to launder the money and convert it into fiat currency. Now, for those who might be wondering about the Lazarus Group, this isn't their first rodeo. They've been linked to several high-profile hacks, including the $620 million Ronin network hack in 2022 and the $300 million DMM Bitcoin hack in 2023. These guys are pros, and they don't mess around. What's even more alarming is that this cyber warfare unit, known as Bureau 121, operates from various countries, including China and Russia. The UN estimates that North Korea has stolen over $3 billion in crypto since 2017 to fund its nuclear weapons program. As global financial institutions become more entangled with digital currencies, the threat posed by these cyber actors continues to grow. It's a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities in our increasingly digital world. So what do you think? Is the crypto world ready to tackle these threats, or are we just scratching the surface? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.